What is going on, beautiful people of the world? We have another resale video for you. We've sold the last 26 by 3.5. That went to my boy Daryl. Daryl, if you're seeing this, thank you so much. And I hope you like that discount I sent you. We need to ship out a PW80 frame. And we still have to ship out these handlebars. So we're gonna do that today. Tomorrow, we should be getting an in-person sell video, and he needs a front rim for his V-Star 650. All right, so let's get this little mess out the way. Okay. We finally finished. We got everything packed up. So actually, we just sold another part, and I'm just gonna include it in here now. Whatever sells after this, that's it. That's it, done. But there was another part that sold for $59.50. That's the VMAX airbox. So that's sold. That's going out. Probably not today, because I'm already done. I'm gonna eat my last meal today and then crash. So thanks for watching.